Hi, my dear friends and my dear beloved subscribers. How are you all? I'm excellent. I hope all are doing well. Today I came to here to explain what are the benefits of guava leaves for human body, especially for skin and beauty. Okay, uh, guava leaves has makes wonders in the human body. Okay, first of all, this guava leaves has lots of antioxidants and antibacterials and anti-inflammatory agents, and it is beneficial for lots of natural pain reliever. Okay, and actually we can use this guava leaves for natural pain relievers and first aid as well for lots of skin diseases and skin allergies and all. Now I'm going to explain what are the benefits, and just now I came to down. It's a guava tree. It's very near to my home, and just now see, it's a very fresh guava leaves, and it's a very small tree. And so I'm going to show you this tree only. Okay, see, now I'm going to pluck these leaves one by one. Before that, I'm going to explain what are the benefits of these leaves. Okay, and first of all, it will help to reduce the weight loss. Okay, and guava leaves will help to fight diseases like cancer, and especially it will very good for women because it will avoid the breast cancer, and it will help to reduce that symptoms of the breast cancer in future as well. If we take in that guava leaves juice daily, or at least weekly twice or thrice. Okay, and also it will help to reduce the side effects of allergies like skin. Lots of even kids or women has the skin allergies. So if apply this guava leaves paste to the body, it will help to reduce that allergies like tamara and lots of skin allergies. Okay, and also it will make the wonders in the mouth as well. Just take in 2 or 3 leaves like fresh leaves, and just make it crush on your teeth and just put it outside. Okay, if we do like this weekly at least once, lots of mouth allergies won't come in the future. Okay, it will help for teeth gum and teeth gum swelling and teeth pain as well. It is a best natural remedy for that. Okay, and also it will help to reduce the premature aging signs like lots of women has the fine lines and wrinkles on the face and even body as well. So just apply weekly once this guava leaves paste. It will help to reduce that wrinkles and fine lines on the face and body as well. Okay, and also it will help the stomach pain and diarrhea. If you have the diarrhea, if we can use this, will get that immediate relief from diarrhea as well. Okay, and also it is best home remedy for dengue fever. That means guava leaves has lots of phenomenons, gastronols and flavonoids. It will help to increase the platelets. Okay, if dengue fever will come means our platelet cell will go down, but once you take these guava leaves, the platelet counts will increase. Even papaya leaves also makes wonders for for dengue fever. I think everything knows that, and it will help to reduce the ear infections and help to reduce for the skin allergies, and it will make to shine the skin texture. Okay, and actually it is a best removal of black hairs on face, and especially lots of women's hairs and nose. In nose has lots of black hairs. That will it's a best scrub for black hairs removal. Okay, and also it has it is just to take that little water and make a crush on 1 or 2 guava leaves and just apply as a scrub to nose. It will make wonders and remove the black hairs. Okay, see, now I'm going to show. I have just came to the house, and these are the leaves I bought from tree. Okay, it's a very fresh leaves. Just see, and just wash it with thrice with normal water. Okay, now I have taken in one small plate. With these leaves I'm going to show you 3 home remedies. Okay, in these these guava leaves I'm going to divide the 3 parts. First I'm going to show you how to make tea. that called guava leaves tea. Okay, and after that I will show you a face mask for with guava leaves, and next is hair pack. Okay, see, I just added the water in the stove, and I have taken here 5 leaves. Okay, 5 guava leaves I have taken, and I make it crush. That means not smooth paste, just I make it like a crush. It's not coming the smooth paste. So then I have added these leaves in water, and leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, and with low flame only. Okay, don't raise the flame, because it will go burn. That means our total water will go. So it has to boil only in very low flame. Okay, then that got ready. Next I have taken other leaves and mixed jar, and make a smooth paste. Just add little water on that. See, just now I came to check how is going this tea. Tea is boiling here. 15 or 20 minutes make it boil. Then you can take one small cup and filter that. This tea is ready. Okay, see, now I'm filtering here. That means this guava leaves tea is ready. Just keep it aside for some time to get cold. After that we can drink that. Next I have taken again some water, and added some tea leaves. Okay, here we can select tea whatever we want, like any tea, like we used to use for drink tea, right? Like Thos tea, any tea, Gemini tea. So you whatever chakra gold tea. Now I have taken here Gemini tea little bit. That means 2 small tablespoons I have taken, and I make it boil. Then once it is boiled, and then we need to add here guava leaves paste. After that I am showing here that curd. I'm going to prepare here face mask. Face pack. Here just I have taken guava leaves paste and curd or yogurt. These two, and little bit turmeric. That's all. If we added these 3 things like curd or yogurt or guava leaves paste and little bit turmeric, that's more than enough for face pack. Okay, see, just add like this and make a smooth texture with a spoon or hand, whatever it may be. You just has to do like this, so that it will come smooth paste. Then we can apply this our face directly. Okay, it will makes wonder. You just try once. I have tried. It has lots of benefits for face. Even tan will go, and blackheads will go from this face pack, and it will help wonders. Okay, see, I have made this one is a guava leaves face pack. Okay, it has lots of benefits for face. It will remove that black hairs and tan and skin allergies, and it will make the skin smoothness, and it has lots of benefits. Okay, see, it's very easy process. Then only I have added here guava leaves paste and 1 tablespoon yogurt or curd. We can take even curd as well. Here I have taken yogurt. Then we need to add just pinch of turmeric. That's all. Guava leaves paste pack is ready to apply to face. Okay, not only for face, we can even apply this paste for hands and neck, everything. Okay, whatever, not only this, whatever, if you use any face pack, we have to apply to face and hands and necks, then only our face look will complete. Otherwise, if you apply to only face will shine, remaining like sun exposing parts like neck and hands, it's not that much shine. So that please apply to face and neck and all. Okay, then just now I came to tea leaves. Tea leaves is already boiled here. Just we need to add this tea leaves in guava leaves paste. Okay, this, and just make it like this. And if you want to filter at the time we will only get juice, guava leaves juice with tea leaves. Okay. Otherwise, we can directly apply this also to skull and hairs, everything. Now I'm going to apply this. Okay. It will actually it will makes to hair wonderful benefits and tremendous results. We can see this. Once you apply this, just leave that 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Then you can go for bath with lukewarm water, and after that you can see that your hair will shine, and it looks so beautiful. Just try for this at least weekly once. See here, I have made with only one guava leaves paste. I have made two beauty tips and one drinking juice. Only with the only one leaf, like guava leaves, I have made one hair pack and one paste pack and one drinking juice. These three I'm going to use this today. Okay. And now I'm going to drink little for this juice first, then I'm going to apply the face pack, and then I will apply this hair pack as well. Just go through this. Okay. Even we can see in the Google as well about this guava leaves benefits. It will give the lots of benefits, and it will make wonders in human body and even for skin and beautiness as well. See, today I have made with only guava leaves with three tips. One is the drinking juice, and one is for face pack, and one is for hair pack. Okay. Dear subscribers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that people will get my all videos notifications when I upload. Okay. Thank you so much, and keep support, and just use this and give your valuable comments box. Okay. I will go through that and I will reply back same. Thanks for watching this.